Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Jeff Cowboy. In today's video guys, I'm teaching one of the prince of Africa how to drive. So this is that guy with that truck right there. So today I'm gonna teach him how to drive. He just landed here not long time ago, about 2 weeks ago, and now he got his learner's permit. So if you want to learn how to drive, first thing first, you gotta get the driver license. I mean the learner's permit. Yeah, learner's permit. Now he got a learner's permit. I've been teaching him a little bit. Now he's practicing, and now I want him to come and get in one of these parking space, and I want to see how he gonna do it. Come on, let's go. Let's come there. That's how you do. All right. Oh boy. Okay, there you go. Let me know, what do you think he's ready for the test? There you go. Let me see. I'm not gonna show you his face because I don't wanna. Yeah, that was a good job. Try it again. So turn it around. Go do one lap and come do that the same again. And here we go. Here we go. The second one there. All right. Oh man, now I think he did a good job. Now I want him to try on the reverse. So let's see. So this time you did two times, you did it good. So I want you to try on the reverse now, okay? Same spot. You're gonna go, do it up, and then come and park it on the reverse. And so yeah, here he come. I know some of you think that I'm supposed to be sitting on the driver test, on the passenger side, showing him what to do. But I've been doing that for a couple of days, and I think now he is confident on what he is doing right there inside that cab. But I won't go on the road right there without me on the passenger side. So let's see how he's gonna do here parking on the reverse. Okay. So whenever you're teaching somebody how to drive, don't ever be straight on the behind that vehicle. Always stay at an angle. That way, in case he messes it up, and press the gas instead of the brakes, he doesn't come slamming on your face. Let me know what you think on the comment section. You think he's ready for the test? Okay, he is coming. If he failed this one, he just gonna have to do it again. Use your side mirrors. All right, I want you to come outside and see how you parked it. It's kind of crooked, so I want you to go one lap. When you come, I want it to be straight. You see with that line? Okay. Yeah, just like that. Let's go. For those who have already subscribed to my channel, I want to say thank you guys for your support. I couldn't be this far without your support, so thank you very much. The new ones, if you're still new there, please hit that subscribe button. Let's stay tuned. Let's go. Almost got it. Come outside and see how you did it. Make sure you put it on the park. Okay, there you go. So that's how you did. Almost the same, a little bit worse than before. Okay, so you're gonna hold my camera right here, and then I'm gonna show you exactly what you need to do. Okay. That's how you do it. Let's go now. Give it one more try. All I'm doing here is to make him get used to be behind the steering. Multiple times, attempting multiple times, it's gonna make him gain the confidence, because at the beginning he was a little bit naive or nervous, a little bit nervous. But after practicing, especially right here where there's no traffic, it's gaining a little bit confidence. So we'll see how he perform when we get in the traffic. Come behind me, I want to show you something. So I know when you look at your steering, you think that the wheels are straight because it's like that, right? Mm-hmm. But I want you to look at the side mirror. When you look at the side mirror, when you're going on the back, and you see that the tail of the vehicle, you see the tail of the vehicle is kind of going away from the line, because you can see this line on the side mirror. If you see you're going away from the line, just know, just because this is line up here doesn't mean that the wheels are straight. Okay, so you probably need to do one more turn for the wheels to be straight. Okay, so when you look on the side mirrors, when you're backing up, make sure the tail of the vehicle is not going away from the line. Okay, you want to try that trick? All right, let's go. It's not like I've done this kind of training before where teaching somebody how to drive, but one thing I'm learning is that as an instructor, you have to be very patient with your student if you want them to succeed. If you want them to be competent on what they're doing, you gotta be patient with them. So let's see how he does this time. This will be last try. If he got it, like, if he doesn't got it, I'll just give him a break and call it a day. We'll try again tomorrow. And this has been about 1 hour of practicing. So 1 hour should be enough for a day. 1 or 2 hours should be enough for a day. So let's see how he does this time. So at that point he was supposed to turn it so the vehicle can start coming towards the left, but he didn't. Almost every time he's missing it, so I gotta show him what to do. He just not realized it. Now he's gonna try to correct himself, so let's see. Okay. I think this time he's gonna do it better. Yeah, not that bad. Right now it's a little bit better. I don't think he's gonna be testing on parking on the reverse, but I just wanted him to practice. You know, for practice make you perfect. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned. My name is Jeff Cowboy. I'll see you on my next video. Bye bye for now.